how to create a website for your small business. In this video, I'm going to show you from start to finish how you can create an amazing looking small business website just like this one for your own business. Okay, so before you even create a website, you need a unique domain name and then a web hosting. I'm having a link down in the video description. Click on it. It's going to bring you right here to this platform, and then you can come and then find your own unique domain name and then a web hosting for affordable price. Okay, by simply coming to type it right here in this box. Okay, I'm going to get a small commission when you use my link because I'm affiliated to them without any extra cost to you. So you can come and choose a .com, a .site, a .online, a .store, a .shop. Okay, so for this tutorial I'm going to use a .shop for this tutorial. Okay, so what you have to do is simple. Simply come here and then come and then type in your website name. Okay, so for this I'm going to use latestfonts.shop, okay, to be my unique domain name. Okay, so that is a .shop, and when I type it here, all that I have to do is simply come in and press on the search. Okay, so as you can see, latestfonts.shop is available at this price. Okay, and then I can simply add it to the cart. So to add it to the cart, simply come here to where you have add cart and then come and then press on it. Okay, or click on it, and then you will see that domain selected. Okay, good. All that you have to do is simply come here. So as you can see, it has been added to cart, and then come and then click on the continue. Okay, so from here you will see that the domain is here, and then the DNS management is free for 1 year. Okay, so come and then check the box for it to be added as well, but there is no hosting for it, so just come and then click to add the hosting. Okay, so when you click on it, the categories, we have the first one, that is the pan hosting. So let me select it for you to see. So the pan hosting is the basic. Okay, that is the cheapest among all. So this is the amount that you're going to pay per price. It changes, but currently as I'm making this video, that is the price. Now we are going to get all these. Okay, it comes along with the pan hosting. Beside that one too, we also have the ninth hosting, and then let me click on it for you to see. So this is the price as I'm making this video currently. It might change with time. Okay, and this is what you're going to get: 30 gigabytes USD for your storage. Okay, and then it comes along with all this. Okay, so you can choose this one as well, and then this is what I'm using, the Ken hosting. Okay, this is what I'm using. It is the best among them all, but it is the one which is expensive, and you get all this. Okay, maximum performance, and you got to have 100 gigabyte storage with unlimited bandwidth as well, and it comes along with all this. Okay, free SSL and all that. So if you don't have a huge amount of money, you can come with the pan hosting. Okay, by just selecting this one. Okay, and then come here, then come and then click on order now. Okay, so when you click on order now, as you can see, domain has been added to the cart. Okay, and all that you have to do is that I have my domain name here. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on use. Okay, so when you click on the use, it is going to bring you here. So I have selected the smallest among them. As I said, it is the cheapest, so I'm going to get 10 gigabytes. It is okay for your small business. Okay, and then a free SSL as well, a free SSL certificate as well. Okay, so when you come here to the choose billing cycle, you can choose any of these. We have the monthly cost. Okay, so this is the monthly cost. So when you select the monthly cost, this is the breakdown. Okay, that is what you're going to pay for the month. Okay, so beside that one too, we also have the annual. Okay, so when you come and then choose the annual, you are going to get 20% off. Okay, so it is going to reduce the price, and then this is the amount of money that you're going to pay for the year. Okay, so it is always good to go for a yearly price so that you get the 20% off. Okay, so when you are okay, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the continue, and then from here you will see that hosting is now added. Okay, and as I said, come and then check the box to add a free DNS to it as well, and we have registered period for 1 year. Okay, now simply come here to where you have the continue, then come and then click on the continue. So when you click on the continue, we are then going to see the summary of how much you are going to pay. Okay, so this is the total price. So it comes along, as I said, with a domain name. Okay, that is the cost of the domain name for a year. Okay, and then a hosting package as well, and that is the cost of it as well. Okay, so this is the cheapest one that we have selected. Okay, so let's come here, and as I said, it comes with the domain and a hosting, and that is why we are having this total cost. Okay, so when you are okay, simply come and then check the box. Okay, to agree to their terms of services, and all that you have to do is simply come and then click on check out. Good. So after making the payments and everything, simply come here to the domains and then come and click on the domains, and then from here you are going to see your domain name. Okay, when you click on your domain name, you see that this will come in this and everything. So it simply means that your domain is live, and all that you have to do now is to install our WordPress. Okay, so I'm going to teach you step by step how to do it. Simply come here to the services and then come and click on it. Okay, and then in front of your domain name, so you will see that we have the product. So I'm using the Ken hosting, as I said. In front of it, simply come here and then come and then click on the manage. Okay, so when you click on the manage, all that you have to do is simply come to the action. Okay, and then come here to log into cPanel. Okay, and then come and click on it. Okay, so from the cPanel, all that you have to do is simply come down here, scroll down, and then come here to where we have the Subtaclos app installer, and then come and then click on it. So from here, you can simply come and then install your WordPress by clicking on install button. And this is very important. Okay, so you see that we have SSL certificates added, and then we have our domain name here. And there is something that you have to do here. Okay, so the in directory, come and then clear the WP. Okay, just clear it and then make sure that the in directory is empty. There is nothing there. Okay, and when you come here, this is how our website is going to look like. That's going to be our website URL. Okay, and then the WordPress, make sure that you install the latest version of the WordPress. Okay, and then come down here and come and set your password. So we have the admin account. Come and then select the admin username. You can leave it at admin or you can change it to your preferred name. Okay, me, I'm going to leave it at admin, and then come and then set the password. You can clear this and then put in your own password, or come and click on the key for it to generate a strong auto password for you. So all that you have to do is just highlight the password and then copy it by right clicking on it, and then click on copy, and then keep it somewhere because you are going to use it to log in to your website. Okay, so we have all these plugins that you can choose, but just leave it. You can install them later. Okay, and then come here and then come and then click on the install. And as you can see, WordPress is installing for us. So sit back and then allow WordPress to install. So congratulations, we have successfully installed our WordPress. Okay, so from here we can log into our website by clicking on our URL, or we can simply log in through the WordPress admin, okay, by clicking on this URL, and we are going to log in directly to our WordPress. So as you can see, we have successfully logged into our WordPress dashboard, and then we can visit our website by putting the mouse on visit site and then click on it, and then automatically this is the theme that comes when you install a WordPress. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply install a perfect theme for our website. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard and then click on it, and then from here where we have the appearance, okay, come and then click on the themes. Okay, so when you click on the themes, simply come here to add a new theme and then click on it. So when you click on it, from the popular themes, simply come and then locate Astra. Okay, so here is the Astra. Okay, Astra, and then you can come and then click on the preview to see how it is going to look by clicking on the preview. So this is the Astra. It is amazing and then good website. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply come here, then come and then click on the install. Okay, so when you click on the install, it's going to be installed, and after it finishes installing, simply come here to where we have the activate, and then come and then click on the activate. Okay, so when you come here, you will see that we have let's get started with starter template, and then come and then click on it, and it is activating a starter template for us. Okay, so over here we have two options to build our website. Okay, we can build our website using AI. So we have the AI website builder. You can simply come and then click on build with AI, or you can come and then choose a classic starter template and then click on build it with starter template. But I'm going to go with the AI builder by clicking on build with AI, and we are going to build our website with this platform. It is very fast and then convenient, so we are going to use the ZipWP platform to create our website. Okay, so when you come here to, let's get started, it's free. Come and then click on it, and then we are going to create an account with the Zip. Okay, so to create an account, we have two ways that we can create it: by simply go to sign up with Google in one click, or we can come in and click on sign up with email and then put in our email manually. So you put in your email address, you put in your first name, you put in your last name, come in and put in your password, and then come and click on create account. Okay, and that is it. So I'm going to go with sign up with Google in one click and then click on it, and come and then choose the Gmail account that I want to sign up with. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply come here to the continue and then come and click on the continue, and come and then choose the free plan whereby we pay $0. Okay, so come and then click on get started, and over here come and then click on the continue. Okay, by clicking on continue, so that you can get our website built for us. So to build the website, we have to do some basic things. Okay, that is the website name. So I'm going to put in the latest phone as my website name, and then over here the what this website is for. Okay, this website is for, come and then choose business because it is a business website. Okay, come and then select business, and then come and then make sure that the website is built in English, and then come and then click on next. After that, what you have to do is come and then describe how your website is going to be, so that the AI can use it to build an amazing website for you. So to describe the website, there are things that you have to take into place. That is the year that you have been in operation, and then what your website is about. Okay, if you are selling phones, just write that you are selling phones, and then bring the website name, and then come and click on improve using AI, and the AI is going to generate an amazing one for you, okay, with what you have written in there. So when you are okay with it, simply come here to where we have the next, and then come and click on the next. Okay, and then come here, and then you have to come and then provide your contact details. Okay, so the first thing is your email address. Come and then put in your business email address right here, and then come here and then come and then put in your business phone number right here as well. Okay, that is what Google is going to use to contact you. Then come and then put in your business location address right here as well, so that they can visit you in person. And then you can come and then select your social media handle by clicking on this plus sign, and then come and then choose any of these. So if you are on any of these platforms, you can come and then select it. I'm simply going to skip it by clicking on skip step, and the next thing that you have to do is come and then select images for your website. Okay, so you can change it anytime, and then you can upload your own unique image. Okay, by simply coming here to upload your images and then click on it, and you can come here and then upload your own images, which you don't have to select more than 20, and then you have to select PNG, and then it shouldn't be more than 5 megabytes. Okay, you can also come and then search for images that you want and then select them. Okay, so after selecting it, you are going to see your selected images right here, and then you can come and then remove any of the image if you don't want it by clicking on the remove icon, and then you'll be able to remove them. When you're okay, simply come and then click on the next, and then the next thing you have to do is come and then choose a design. That is how your website is going to look like. Okay, you can come and then put the mouse on any of these templates. Okay, so when you put the mouse on it, it's going to be shown from the top to the bottom how your website is going to look like. Okay, so I'm going to go through, scroll down, and then select the one that I prefer. So I'm going to select this one. It is amazing, nice, and then simple, by simply clicking on it, so that it's going to be added for me. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is to come and then upload your logo. Okay, if you have a logo, you can simply come and then click on upload here, and then you can also come and then choose the font that you want for your business website. Okay, by selecting any of them, and then you can also come and then choose the color. That is how your website is going to look like. That is the color palette. Okay, but I'm simply going to leave mine at the default. Okay, and then you can also come and then preview the website in a desktop mode, a tablet mode, and then a mobile mode as well. Okay, so when you're okay, simply come here to continue, then come and then click on the continue. You have to come and then select these features. Some will be selected automatically, so the blog has been selected, the contact form has been selected. You can come and then choose the automation and integration by checking this box, and if you don't want it, you can uncheck it. Okay, so beside that one, you can come and then choose the video player. Not only that, the page builder has been added for us, and then the e-commerce too, you have to add the e-commerce. Okay, so by checking this box, it is so important to add the e-commerce. That is what you are going to use to set up your page for selling. Okay, we also have the donation as well, and then the free live chat too, you can also add it. Okay, after that, simply come in and click on start building, and then simply sit back for the AI to build your website for you. So hooray, congratulations, and then we have successfully built our website. You can come and then click on see our website to see the finished website. So this is our business website that we have been able to build completely and then finished for our own preference. Okay, so that is it. And then now all that you have to do is that we have to customize it. So to customize it, simply come here to where we have the customize, and then come and then click on it, and then you have all these menus. So the left hand side, we have all this menu. You can select any of them and then customize it. Beside that one, you can come and then put the mouse on any part. Okay, and then click on this edit option, and then you can simply change anything that you want. It is easy just like that. Okay, so that is it. Let me show you the pages, and then when you are done, simply come and then click on the publish, and then your website will be published. So let me show you. First, we are within the home page. Okay, so let's go to the about page by clicking on the about, and then this is how our about page looks like for the website that we have built for our business. Okay, beside the about page too, let me show you the services page by clicking on the services, and then this is our services page for our website that we have been able to build for our business. Okay, beside that one too, let's go to the blog page and then click on it. So that is the blog page. Okay, it contains the blogs that we are going to blog about our business, and then we also have the contact page as well. Let me click on it, and then people can come and then contact us directly through the contact forms that we have been able to get. Okay, so this is a finished nice looking website, and we also have our shop now page as well. Okay, so if you have any questions relating to building your website, simply leave down in the comment below, and then like the video, and then see you in my next video.